Instagram, Facebook. Let me talk to you a little bit about Grant Chess. Money is easy. I said, what is this white boy saying? I'm a black man. How can money be easy? But when he says you got to just learn how to pull money forward. You know how you pull the only way to pull money forward is to ask for it. And I never thought about it. You know what? Why don't just ask for the money? And you don't have to give anybody in return. I thought, is there 60 million? Is there $4,500 on this planet? I think, you know what? For the First Republic Bank, that cost $13 billion from the government to cover that. For the Silicon Valley Bank, it cost $20 billion in like money that was paid by the government for these banks to take over these felon banks. And some reasons why it has, and like there's like basically that's one person paying $13 billion for the First Republic, another person receiving $20 billion for like the Silicon Valley Bank. And how did they get the money? They got the money just by asking for it. Hey, give us the money, or these people go get laid off, or hey, or the politicians did it like they call people up. They didn't just do it. They had people on speed dial. Boop, 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 boop. Now, why would they do that? Why would they do that? And that's why money is easy. Money is easy, but you've got to have persistence. This is what you're not taught. I'm black. I'm an engineer. I'm thinking, I got to design this big project. I need to do all this. I used to work at Disneyland. I need to give you a hamburger and french fries to get your money. No, 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 no. That's not how the banks do. The banks and everyone else gets their money up front. Then they said, do you fuck? Do we got anything left? We want to get to these people. Do you hear what I'm saying? Money is easy, but you've got to ask for it, and people don't know how to ask for it. That's why I did my $4,500 student loan challenge. That's why I'm doing my $10 ask a question challenge for my personal trainer. I'm going to show you it could be done, but I don't have the mindset. I got like the mindset. You know the way to get the mindset is to do the work. So subscribe. And hey, if you guys want, be one of the 145 people that send $45 to me to help pay off my student loan. Hey, that $45 you sending me is going to be better than the $45 in gas you spent to go to Yamava Casino to drop $2,000 or $3,000. About some of you guys go to the strip club. That $45 you give me to pay for my student loan would be better than the $400 or $500 you're going to blow in the club. Or that $45 you give me is going to be better than that trip when you go to Palm Springs, you go party, hey, and drop like $1,000. See, that $45 it's a bargain. That $45 is an investment in your future for doing something stupid. Now, I got to sell it to you. That's my goal. That's my idea. I want to pay off I want to get $4,500 to do my loan. I want to get $800 to pay off my personal trainer. And only way I can do it is I got to come to you, the market. So now that's where I got to build my confidence. And you say, oh, the black man can't do it. Hey, look at the ASPCA. Giving money for dogs, cats. Now they moving the horses. This shit, man. If we're running out of dogs and said, what's next? Get the horses, okay? Let's go ask for the money. Ask. So make sure you stick with me, man. Let's see what happens with my journey. Is money making money easy, or is making money hard?